Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great investment opportunity, which is this newly built 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with an ocean view located in Barrett, Montego Bay. Home is set up to facilitate one large family, are to be divided for 5 rental units, all self-contained. Although partially complete, the major construction work is already done, and this allows the new owner to select the exact finishes they desire. Grab all of this deal while the getting is good. Home is a stone throw away from Iberia Stars Hotel and the Donald Sangsters International Airport, along with shopping areas and beaches. The house is 90% complete and the seller is highly motivated to sell. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 250,000 or Jamaican $38.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.